Hi, so this is section 11.6, objective 2. We're going to be talking about horizontal and vertical shifts, which basically means shifting up and down to the left or the right. Okay, so I'm going to look at this one first, and then while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and do number 7, because that relates to it in the homework. Okay. So if you have our parabola and we plus k, if k is positive, it should be shifting up. If k is negative, it's going to be shifting down so many units. It should have the same shape, but again, if k is positive, it's shifting up. And if k is negative, it's going to shift down k units. Okay, and the vertex will be 0k. Okay, so again, I'm going to go ahead and look at this particular problem right here. So if you would like to pause and find this problem in the homework, it's number 7. Okay, so this is number 7 in the homework. I went ahead and made this table. So I picked these values for x, just like we did on the previous objective. And then the function is x squared minus 2, which means it should be this graph, but I'm shifting down 2 units. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and plug this in here. So I get negative 2 squared minus 2. That gives me 4 minus 2, which is 2. Then I'm going to go ahead and plug in negative 1. So again, I'm plugging in for x. Oops, that's supposed to be 2. This gives me 1 minus 2. And that gives me negative 1. Let me do one more and I'll let you do the rest on your own. 0 squared minus 2 gives me negative 2. And I'll let you do these two on your own, so just pause it and fill those in. Okay, so I went ahead and filled these out, and then while I was at it, I went ahead and plotted them. So the first point is negative 2, 2, so that's right here. Negative 1 is right here. 0, negative 2, that's my vertex. 1, negative 1, and 2, 2. And then you want to go ahead and connect it with a smooth curve. There is an application in my math lab where you can graph parabolas. Okay, so now let's go back and answer the questions here. The first thing they're going to ask is, what is a vertex? This right here is my vertex. And the coordinates of the vertex is 0, negative 2. It's actually this point right here, so that'd be the first step. The next thing they ask is the axis symmetry. So again, that's a vertical line that goes through the vertex, so it's going to be x is equal to 0. And then the domain is all x values. I'll just put arrows on there. I know you can't really in my math lab, but all x values is no restriction on the domain because you go as far to the left and as far as the right as you like. And the range is y values. The lowest y value is right here, which is negative 2. So it goes from negative 2 with a bracket all the way up to infinity. Okay, so this is homework number 7 from 1.6. And it relates to this one right here because you're shifting up 2 units. I'm sorry, you're shifting down 2 units because k is negative, so you're shifting down 2 units. So if you kind of compare those two, k is negative, so you're shifting down 2 units. So if you think about your original parabola, it actually goes right through here, it's shifting down 2 units.